To a weather-aware day. It doesn't look bad now, right? That heat and sunshine going to be building to a point that at one point you're going to realize, I think it's going to storm today. And not everyone's going to see the thunderstorms, but those that do could really see a powerful punch of some gusty winds, large hail even, and even an isolated tornado. So please stay weather aware. Starting at 4 o'clock, I think that's where we open up our window of opportunity, heading through the evening up until as late as midnight. So our severe weather impacts, not often do we have a high threat for hail. That's anywhere from 1 to 2 inch diameter hail. That's anywhere from quarter to golf ball to even egg-sized hail could be falling from our atmosphere today. So please, please, please be cautious. Hail injures over 20 people a year, and sometimes, in worst cases, can be deadly. Not this type of hail, but dangerous winds are going to be set up all across the area, especially east of I-77. But see these little hash lines? That means a significant severe threat for hailstones to fall from some of those supercells, which are rotating thunderstorms. So here's our hail size chart. As I mentioned, 1 to 2 inch hail is going to be a possibility from an isolated storm. And the main timing starts at 4 o'clock, right in between the I-85 and the I-40 corridor, seeing a few of these individual cells. These will be supercells. Those are rotating storms. All of those will produce hail. Just depends on how large it's going to be. So it's going to be right around the Charlotte area, but you notice there's only a couple of storms. These start to branch out and become a little bit more numerous. At this point, from about 7 to 9 o'clock, we leave that hail threat over to more of a damaging wind situation. And then those are going to be a lot more widespread the further east that you go. So just note, all of us will have the threat for this during the afternoon, but it does get a little bit worse as you work your way through the evening. As for the flood threat, doesn't look to be super high today. Maybe some isolated threats with some downed trees with some of those gusty winds and, of course, the hail. Overnight tonight, temperatures in the mid to the upper 60s, 7-day forecast, keeping it hot, hot, hot through the